Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's vlog, I will going to show you how you can track your application online. So you just need to know the right link for you. So every country po, meron pong tamang link kung paano po ninyo ma-trace ang inyong visa application. So as an example, I choose Ireland po. Ayan. So, for example, you are going to Germany, dapat ang nakalagay po dito, Germany. So, hindi po Ireland. Kasi hindi nyo po yun matatrack talaga kasi wrong country po kayo. So, let's make sure na nasa tamang link po tayo. So, kapag for tracing visa application na po kayo, punta po kayo dito sa book an appointment now. As you can see here below, meron tayong tatlong choices. By services, track your application, find a center. So, dito po tayo sa track your application kasi supposed to be, we want to know kung ano na po ang nangyari sa ating visa application. So, just click track now. And ito na po ang lalabas. So, you need to read all of this. So, track an application. Mostly po, VFS Global, also they are sending an email and an update through SMS po or email. But also, you can track your visa application online. So, just click here po. Track your visa application online. Guys, ang lalabas po. Yung reference number nyo guys, this is your IRL numbers like this. So, I will show you. Dito guys sa inyong visa application appointment letter coming from the VFS Global, you can find your reference number na gagamitin nyo po to trace your application online. So, dito reference number and dito po sa baba. Ayan po yung number na gagamitin ninyo for this process. So, ayan guys, ito yung gagamitin ko. Itong i-highlight ko guys. That is the reference number for this. And birth date. Click I am not a robot. Yung may mga cars. So, ito yung nakaka-ano din guys. Nakaka-postrate dito for checking that you are not a robot. Saka ito na, makikita nyo na yung inyong update. So, ang currently update dito guys, in this application, your visa application reference number with this IRL has been forwarded from the VFS Ireland to the embassy for processing on and the date. So, from this guys, you can know the update for your visa application. So, ang bilis niya lang, guys. Mandali lang, guys, mag-update ng visa application using online tracking. So, I will also, so, another example tayo, guys. And then, another update. Your visa application reference number, IRL, blah, 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 has been dispatched from VFS Ireland via courier on May 22. So, ito yung currently update, guys. So, ready for delivery na yung kanyang passport. So, makikita na ng applicant na to if she is approved or denied. So, guys, diba, hindi nakaka-stress mag-track ng application. But, guys, may application po na walang update. So, sometimes, when you check your status online for your visa application, wala po siyang current update. The embassy didn't give update to VFS Global about your application. Kasi sa daming application na pinapasa sa embassy, sometimes the embassy also didn't give an update kung na-process na ba nila or na-return na nila. And sometimes also VFS Global is not fast enough to update their website about your visa application status. But don't worry guys, hindi po nawawala ang visa application ninyo. Nandun pa rin po yun. So, have patience po. Dadating din po sa inyo ang passport ninyo and you will know if approved or denied ang application ninyo. And that is for today's vlog. I hope nakatulong po sa inyo ang vlog na to. And if you need further assistance when it comes to your visa application, immigration documents, travel health insurance, anything po, leave message in this email address or follow my Facebook page po. Doon nyo po ako i-message. And this is my YouTube channel. And guys, if you are not yet subscribed, subscribe po kayo para ma-notify kayo if I have new videos about visa application and immigration. And as you can see guys, I have here a lot of videos about traveling. So punta po kayo dito sa playlist and makikita nyo guys, I have Australia, Canada, refusal, so anything guys, German visa application, anything po. So, around the world po ang ating consultancy and services. Guys, thank you for watching and see you in my next vlog.